Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I really want to thank everybody who has subscribed. I really appreciate your support, and if you're new in here, I do hope that you consider subscribing as well. In this video, I'm going to show you my easy technique of drawing flames. It's incredibly easy. They turn out just gorgeous, and I'm really proud of them, so I hope you enjoy it. And just to warn you, I do have a couple little mistakes in the video where I forgot to show you the colors and the numbers of the colors, so I kind of threw them in there where I could, so just be prepared. I ended up putting 2 coats of each color except the yellow. The yellow was just so highly pigmented I didn't really have to add two. And just, if you can avoid 2 coats to keep down the bulk, that's awesome. I would do that. So I'm going to put the matte. I decided to make all of these matte, except I changed my mind at the end about the blue, the thumbnail. I wanted it to just be a glittery sugared nail. So, and there they are, matte. They are so pretty. I love them. I love these colors so much. So doing this flame, I have my technique of doing it that I am going to show you, and you can, I didn't do some of the curves very deep, which you can. It would look beautiful either way. I just did it more of kind of a more shallow dips in the flames, so you can just use your own technique, find your own special way of doing them, but this is the easiest way I know how, and it turns out pretty good every time. And I'm only going to show you on this one nail. It's the same basic technique I use in all of the 3 nails that have flames, so but just to keep down the length of the video, I'm just going to show you on this one. Now I do demonstrate at the points of the flames, and you'll see it here in a minute, you draw your basic lines. Don't worry about the details. Just draw it out first, and then you can fix it up later. And I show you that when you're drawing the points of the nail or of the flame, instead of, if this makes sense, it might not, but I hope it does. Instead of trying to get a small amount of paint on my brush, I turn it upside down. Instead of trying to put it in a place and drag it down, I drag it upward, and that helps you to not have big blobs, and you can have more extreme points on the flame. So I'm going to paint all of this white, and I'm not worried about making it thick. I don't want it to be real thick, and um, you'll see when I show you the finished flames, you'll see that it's not perfect. It's some of the pink kind of shows through. I just did two very, very thin coats of this gel polish, because once you add the glitter, if you're going to be sugaring it, you don't want all that bulk. So I'm not worried about it being perfect because it is going to be covered with the glitter. So I've cured both coats of the white. Well, obviously the first coat, but I did cure the second coat also, and I'm going to put the top coat on so that I can do the sugaring. If you put the sugaring in the white, it will stick, of course, but it could cause the glitter to be really dull, and you really don't want that unless that's the effect you're going for. But I'm going to do the top coat. There they are, all sugared. As you can see, I switched the purple and the green because the purple was just gonna be more of like a French line, and I just went crazy and did the weird flames coming through the sides and thought it would look better on the ring finger as an accent nail other than the index finger. So that's why I switched them out. And now it's time for some beautiful bling. I absolutely love how these turned out. I think they are so pretty. The colors are amazing. I love Model One's colors. As you notice in my videos, I have been using them for a while now, and I have several sets, and all of these are linked down below. Um, if you like them, you really should get them. They're awesome. And I do want to give a little shout out to a group mate of mine. She had sent me for a prize uh, this wonderful lip balm and this really nice cuticle oil, and I'm going to be doing a natural manicure to show that oil off. But so stay tuned for that. Hit the bell if you want to see that video. Thank you so much for watching.